Yo, guys, we just got a huge update about these Air Jordan 4 white cements. There's a lot to talk about with this sneaker right here. I'm not trying to make a bunch of videos surrounding this sneaker, but I think this is definitely important moving into the new years with all these crazy OGs coming out. There might be some people that's trying to, hit you with the okie doke, which I'm going to explain in today's video. But yeah, we got a crazy, huge update about the Air Jordan 4 White Cement OG 2025. Let's get into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. You guys seen by the thumbnail, you seen the title. We're talking about the White Cement OGs. And I feel like we just made a video literally talking about them because we got those official images, and they looking a lot different from what we have seen over the last 24 hours. It's crazy. It's like they went from this to that, and I don't know what the whole situation is, but like I said, we're going to break it down. If you guys are new here to the channel, man, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and support your boy. This is like a sneaker blog channel. We talk about current issues, talk about what's going on in the sneaker community, upcoming releases, early looks, reviews, known feats, all that stuff. So if that's something you're interested in 2025, make sure you sub up, hit notification bell, ASAP rock. And of course, run the likes up, man. Every video want to get at least 200-300 likes, man. So if you're watching, you support your boy, please do your boy solid, leave a huge like, man. All right, guys, so the Air Jordan 4 white cements, I feel like this is going to go down as sneaker of the year. If it ain't the white cement OGs, I definitely feel like the Air Jordan 12 Taxis and the Air Jordan 14 Ferraris have a little say in the running for sneaker of the year when we talk about all the bangers we get. And I don't think the Gamma 11 is going to be sneaker of the year because you guys know Ferraris, we ain't seen them in a while. This is probably one of the craziest Air Jordan 14 colorways of all time. I feel like it's a lot of people's top 10 sneakers of all time. I just had to throw it out there. This could be a potential sneaker of the year. And of course, the Taxi guys. This one right here speaks for itself. We've been waiting for this one for so long. They gave us royalty taxis. They gave us the red taxis. They gave us the Chinese New Year taxis. And now we are officially getting the Air Jordan 12 taxis in 2025. And we actually got the dates as well. I'm gonna put them up on the screen. I think they had the dates for the Ferraris and the taxis, but if not, I know for sure the taxis are coming out full-fledged, man. I got y'all, bro. It's crazy. We getting all these OGs that we wanted. And again, I haven't worn these in a while. Why haven't I worn the taxis? And we know we're going to get them eventually. That's on me. Wear your sneakers, man. But like I said, man, it was a bunch of new images, bro. New images getting pushed out everywhere, and I seen a kind of a switch of, type of energy from a certain blog. I'm not gonna put them out there, but they put these pictures out. They put them all throughout the the internet and stuff like that, and they were either a really good 2016 pair of white cements, or they were fake. And again, like I said in the intro, this is something you gotta watch out, man. People might try to hit you with the okie doke, say you can get these early, get them 2-3 months, but you have to be for certain that them joints is official. You guys already know how it goes. These pairs are starting to look really good. They're starting to look, and they're better than the pairs coming right from Nike. I just gotta be honest with you guys. In the picture that we seen, they said they're coming out 2025. They showed the Air Jordan 4 white cements, but the huge giveaway with that sneaker was the black trimming around the tongue. So I'll put, 2 of the pictures up. This is the one that we seen yesterday or a couple days ago. And then now these are the newer images of the 2025 white cements. You guys see there is no black lining around the tongue. There's probably some black behind it. I'm not too sure. They didn't show a really good picture, but the 2016s, you can clearly see the black trimming around the tongue. And that is not the case with these newer images, that we have seen. You know what I'm saying? I don't know which one. Now I'm like, yo, is this person pair real, or is this person? It's crazy. It definitely gets crazy. But when we get closer to the release date, my plugs, the people I buy my shoes from, are 100% legit. And again, we haven't seen a full-fledged, review or pictures of them in hand or anything like that for these white cement OGs. The pair that we seen get circulated earlier had to either be a really good pair from 2016, or you guys already know what the other word I'm used for. And I'm not saying that they are, but again, that could definitely be the issue. And again, I seen some comments on my last video when we talked about the first look images for the Air Jordan 4 white cements. And I was, going towards, the person or the blog, the really known blog that put the picture out saying this is 2025s, and they pushed out through Discord, on Twitter. I'm talking about everybody was talking about it. And then lo and behold, the pictures we just seen had no black trimming around the tongue. So hey, we gonna see what happens, bro. We definitely gonna see what happens. But this is what we do, man. We come on YouTube, chop it up with you guys, see what y'all are thinking about this upcoming release. We haven't seen them on feet. We ain't seen nobody pull up Nike themselves. Not yet, but I'm pretty sure the pairs will be coming out very, very soon. This is going to be a huge GR. You guys already know how it comes, bro. OGs always get mass produced when it comes to 4s, 3s. I wouldn't even go as far as saying some 5s. Some 5s, you know what I'm saying? They mass produce them for the general public. So we shall see what happens, man. But as of right now, I'm sticking on my 2016s, but I am definitely going to be in need of a newer 2025 pair, man. I cannot wait, bro. And on the flip side of the newer images of the Air Jordan 4 white cements, we also are going to be getting the Air Jordan 12 French Blues. Now, I know we already talked about this shoe a while ago. It was rumored. And now that they are official, we're getting the French Blues in 2025. I had to talk about it on YouTube. I think I talked about them on Instagram, but I never showed these on, camera saying we're getting them in the most anticipated release of 2025. But I already know there are going to be a lot of people grabbing the French Blues, or we might hear one of those things like, the Air Jordan 12 blueberries are better than the French Blues, so I'm not going to be grabbing the 2025 pair. I'm pretty sure it's going to happen. We've seen it with people saying the Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagines is better than the Air Jordan 4 Breads, like the OGs. Like, I don't know what's going on. It's a new day and age, bro, but I'm here for it. I'm here with you guys, and I love seeing you guys' comments talking about these releases. It ain't just me. I get you guys feedback. We chop it up. We talk about it. Again, you can say whatever you want in the comment section. Just know I'm going to respond to it, man. So I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Crazy news. I don't know what's going on. We shall see when we get closer to the release date for the white cement Air Jordan 4 OGs. But if you guys are new here, sub up, hit the notification bell, and leave a huge like on today's video. The likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys enjoying the content, and I will greatly appreciate all them likes, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. All that's been said, man, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.